emergency, please rush to the sound broadcasting station. I must inform you all that we are receiving critical and disturbing news concerning the SCP. Foundation's SCP-666. It has become evident that SCP-666 has shown its true, monstrous self in a city. It was disguised as a seemingly ordinary citizen and presented no human characteristics at all. Furthermore, the creature is not satisfied with the adults, and it is on the verge of going on a terrifying rampage. The true form of SCP-666 is a colossal 8 feet tall female, resembling an adult woman in appearance, adorned with metallic antlers, spider-like tendrils on its back, and other horrifying features. We also have reports of robots sporting shadowy masks active in isolated areas, which is the same pattern as the robots that mysteriously vanished a few weeks ago. I urge everyone to immediately take shelter as our situation grows increasingly dire. Until this terrifying